In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Glassdoor support. Contact us 2026. We'll walk through the simplest way to reach Glassdoor's support team directly from their website, and you won't need to sign in to do it. Start by opening your web browser and going to glassdoor.com. Make sure you're on the official site before proceeding. Everything we'll do today works on both desktop and mobile. On a phone, just remember you may need to scroll a bit more. You don't need to log in for this. From the Glassdoor homepage, head straight to the bottom of the page. Slowly scroll all the way down until you reach the footer. The footer is the section with grouped links and legal information. It's a universal spot where companies keep useful links like About, Careers, and Support. In that footer, look for the navigation area related to Glassdoor itself. You should see a section that includes a link labeled Contact Us. That's the one we need. Go ahead and click Contact Us. Depending on your browser settings, this may open in the same tab or launch a new one. Either way, you'll land on Glassdoor's official contact page. On this page, you'll see the Contact Us form. It starts with an introduction where you select the option that best describes you, such as job seeker, employer, or another category. Choose the one that fits your situation, since this helps route your message to the right team. Next, enter a clear subject and a detailed message. Be specific about what you need help with. Include relevant details like the link to a job post or company profile, dates, and any error messages you encountered. Avoid sharing any sensitive personal information. Don't include passwords or private account credentials. Add your first name, last name, and your preferred email address so support can reach you. Pick your language preference if that option is available, which can help Glassdoor respond in the language you're most comfortable with. If you have a relevant screenshot or document, you can upload a file up to 2 MB in PDF, JPEG, or PNG format. Keep attachments concise and make sure they don't contain sensitive details. Before sending, complete the verification step to confirm you're not a robot. When everything looks good, click Send. You should see a confirmation on the page and Glassdoor's team will follow up via the email you provided. If you don't hear back within a reasonable time, check your spam or junk folder just in case. And that's it. You've contacted Glassdoor support directly through their site. No login required.